The world taught me how to survive. Religion taught me how to perform. But the book taught me how to know you. Yeah. I ran through noise and borrowed truth, every voice claiming proof. I chased success, I chased relief, but never learned to sit at your feet. The days were full, the nights were thin, always busy, never still. I knew your name, but not your way, so I stayed tired, rushed and afraid. You said abide in me, not visit, not repeat, remain.
If I wanna know you, I have to stay, not in the world's rhythm, but in what you say. The world pulls hard, tradition distracts, but truth is found when I come back. I don't find you in the crowd's demand, I learn you from the book in my hands.
You said the road is narrow and few will walk, while the wide road never seems to stop. The world reshapes me day by day, unless I'm rooted in what you say. They say just fit in, don't go too deep, but you said truth will make me free. So I stopped learning you secondhand and opened the words you personally planned. You prayed I'd be in the world, but not of it, set apart by truth, and truth is written in. If I wanna know you,
I have to stay, not in tradition, but in your way. The world takes time, religion takes form, but you take hearts that are reborn. I don't meet you in a system or plan, I learn you from the book in my hands. You said I'm called out, not blended in, a living sacrifice, set apart from sin, not to escape, but to be changed, renewed in mind, not rearranged. Your words are life, spirit and truth, yeah. They train my heart, they shape my roots. Without them I drift, I slowly conform. With them I'm anchored through every storm, yeah. You didn't hide yourself from those who seek, you promised to be found by the meek. If I draw near, you draw near too. That wasn't poetry, it was true. So I trade distraction for quiet space, trade borrowed faith for seeking your face. Not chasing signs, not chasing men, just learning to walk where you walked in. To know you is to listen, to walk, to remain, to choose your words over comfort and fame. The world will pass, its systems will fall, but your words still stand when the dust clears all. I won't search you in the world's demand, I'll learn you from the book you planned.
if I want to become like you, I have to spend time with you. And you already told me where to find you.